Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things luxury. Today, we are diving into the world of luxury cars. HouseLux Estate is a channel dedicated to bringing you the best in luxury lifestyle, and today's topic is no different. Buying a luxury car is not just about the brand or the price tag, it's about understanding what you're getting into. There's a lot to consider, from brand research to maintenance costs. So buckle up as we cruise through the 10 things you need to know before buying a luxury car. First things first, research the brand. When it comes to luxury cars, the brand isn't just about the badge on the hood. It's about the story, the heritage, the engineering prowess, and the innovative spirit that backs it. A thorough understanding of the brand you're choosing will help you appreciate the car beyond its glossy exterior. Start by assessing the brand's reputation. What do car experts and enthusiasts say about it? How does it fare in terms of reliability? Luxury cars are a significant investment, so you want to ensure your chosen brand is known for its dependability and longevity. Don't forget to consider the brand's customer service. If you need assistance or repairs, you want a brand that offers top-notch customer support. And lastly, delve into the brand's history of recalls. Numerous recalls can be a red flag, indicating potential quality control issues. Remember, a well-researched decision is a wise decision. Next up, consider the resale value. Now, in the world of automobiles, depreciation is a key factor. And here's the twist. Luxury cars tend to depreciate faster than their standard counterparts. How so? Well, high-end models are often packed with cutting-edge technology and features. As newer models roll out, these features can quickly become outdated, causing a steep drop in the car's value. Moreover, the market for pre-owned luxury cars is relatively smaller, and the demand is lower. This further accelerates the depreciation. So before you sign on that dotted line, take a moment to think about the resale value. Research the brand's track record, their depreciation rates, and how well their cars hold value over time. Remember, a luxury car is not just a symbol of status and style. It's also a significant financial commitment. A luxury car with a good resale value is a smart investment. Moving on, let's check the features. Luxury cars are not just about brand prestige or high-speed thrills. They're also about the features, the bells and whistles that make your drive more enjoyable, safer, and simply more luxurious. Think of advanced safety systems. We're talking about adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These are not just fancy gadgets. They could potentially save your life one day. Then there are high-end entertainment options. Imagine immersing yourself in the rich sounds of a top-tier audio system. Perhaps a 20-speaker surround sound system. Or maybe you're intrigued by the latest in-car connectivity features, such as Wi-Fi hotspots and advanced navigation systems. These features can make a big difference in your daily driving experience. But remember, they add up to the price tag. Luxury is in the details. So make sure those details are worth it. Point number 4, be prepared for high maintenance costs. When it comes to luxury cars, the initial purchase price is just the tip of the iceberg. The true cost of ownership goes beyond the sticker price. Luxury cars demand premium fuel, which can significantly increase your monthly expenses. But fuel is just one aspect. There's also insurance. Luxury cars are often more expensive to insure because they're more expensive to repair. Speaking of repairs, they can be a real wallet drainer. Luxury vehicles are engineered with high-end, specialized components that can be costly to replace. Not to mention routine maintenance. Luxury cars require regular, meticulous care to maintain their performance and appearance. This could mean more frequent oil changes, tire rotations, and other services that can add up over time. Let's not forget about depreciation. Luxury cars tend to depreciate faster than average cars, which can be a significant hidden cost of ownership. Luxury comes with a price, and sometimes that price is maintenance. Next, let's talk about financing options. When it comes to acquiring a luxury car, you have several routes to consider. The first one is taking out a loan. Many dealerships offer great financing deals, but don't forget to shop around for the best interest rates. You might find a more attractive offer from a bank or credit union. The second option is leasing. This is a great choice if you enjoy driving the latest models and don't mind not owning the car outright. Remember, though, that lease contracts come with mileage limits, and you'll be responsible for any wear and tear. Finally, there's the cash purchase. If you have the means, buying your luxury car outright can save you a significant amount in interest payments over time. However, keep in mind that luxury cars depreciate, so consider if this is the best use of your funds. Choosing the right financing option can make your luxury car experience even more enjoyable. Now, on to point number 6. A test drive is a must. You've probably heard this advice countless times, but let's delve into the why. Test driving is not just about getting a feel for the car. It's a crucial step in the purchasing process, especially when it comes to luxury vehicles. You want to ensure that the car's performance matches its price tag. Pay attention to how the car handles, the responsiveness of the brakes, and the comfort of the ride. Don't be shy about testing the acceleration either. After all, part of the appeal of a luxury car is its power. Additionally, listen for unusual noises. Any rattles or squeaks could be a sign of underlying issues. And while you're at it, take the time to play with the tech features and make sure they're all working as they should. A test drive can reveal a lot about a car, so never skip it. By 8th on our list, always check the warranty. This might seem obvious, but when it comes to luxury cars, the warranty is an essential factor that shouldn't be overlooked. The warranty is your safety net, your assurance that, should anything go wrong with your shiny new ride, you won't be left high and dry. So what should a good warranty cover? Well, at the very least, it should cover the engine, transmission, and other core components of the vehicle. But the best warranties go beyond the basics. They cover everything from electrical systems to onboard computers, and sometimes even routine maintenance. Remember, luxury cars are complex machines with lots of intricate parts, which means there's more that can potentially go wrong. A solid warranty can give you peace of mind, knowing that if something does go wrong, you won't be footing the bill. A good warranty can save you from unexpected costs down the road. Next up, consider the insurance costs. When you're eyeing that shiny new luxury car, it's easy to forget about the potential insurance costs. However, insurance for luxury vehicles can be significantly higher than your average car. This is due to the high-end parts, costly repairs, and the increased risk of theft associated with these vehicles. But don't let this deter you. There are ways to potentially lower these costs. Try shopping around for different quotes from various insurance providers. You might be surprised at the range of prices you'll find. Also consider bundling your car insurance with your home or renter's insurance. Many providers offer discounts for bundling policies. Another tip is to maintain a clean driving record. Insurance companies often give lower rates to drivers with no accidents or traffic violations. Lastly, consider a higher deductible. This means you'll pay more out of pocket if you have an accident, but your monthly premiums will be lower. Remember, a luxury car deserves luxury protection. Finally, look for certified pre-owned options. Purchasing a certified pre-owned luxury car can be a savvy move. Let's unpack why. The moment a brand new car leaves the dealership, it depreciates in value. A certified pre-owned car has already taken that initial depreciation hit, yet it still offers the high-quality experience you'd expect from a luxury vehicle. Moreover, certified pre-owned cars come with a manufacturer-backed warranty. This means the car has been rigorously inspected, refurbished, and certified by the original manufacturer, assuring you that it meets their high standards. So you can drive off with peace of mind, knowing that your luxury car is in tip-top shape. Plus, certified pre-owned cars often come with added benefits like roadside assistance and complimentary maintenance. It's like getting the best of both worlds, the luxury and prestige of a high-end vehicle without the hefty price tag of a brand new one. Sometimes, a pre-owned luxury car can give you the best bang for your buck. So, that was our rundown of the 10 things to know before buying a luxury car. From researching the brand to understanding the importance of resale value, we've covered a lot of ground. We've explored the features you should look for, the high maintenance costs you should be prepared for, and the financing options available to you. We stressed the importance of a test drive and checking the warranty. We've also dwelt upon the insurance costs that can sneak up on you, and the advantages of considering certified pre-owned options. Each point is critical to making an informed decision and ensuring that your luxury car experience is as smooth as the ride itself. Remember, a luxury car is not just an investment, it's a statement about your lifestyle. Thank you for joining us at House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on luxury living. Until next time, enjoy the ride.